Hello 3G Store, I'm Steve Murphy and I'm entering in the contest for the MBR1000 and the Techion battery pack. And I had an MBR1000 but it's broken. Here it is right here. See, it just powers on, green light just stays on. Took it out of its case, everything, and that's all it's done. We've been careful with it, but now it's just kind of something fun to look at for now. And there's my laptop. I'm the Firefox rep for my campus as well.
And this is my campus. I'm a student at Fullerton College. It's the junior college down the street from California State University, Fullerton, in Fullerton, California. I take 12 units, 4 classes. I have web design, Microsoft Active Directory, a course in business law, as well as political science, and I'm a business major focusing on entrepreneurship. I plan on transferring to California State University here in the next year and a half, 2 years, and working on my 6-year degree in business. I do computer repair currently, projects here and there for friends, family. I advertise on Craigslist, but other than that, I'm kind of unemployed and don't have the funds. In my backpack, I carry with me my MacBook Pro, my books, schoolwork. I have a Sprint USB modem, a 598U. I have unlimited data through the Zero plan that employees could get their friends and family into with Sprint. So I was grandfathered in, don't have to worry about the 5 gigabyte cap. The Cradlepoint MBR1000 I do have broke on me back on about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, right at the same time that the contest came out. So, I'm all happy to get that. What I'd have to do before is when I got into class, I would hook up my laptop and hook up the Cradlepoint router that would provide internet access to other students' laptops. That wasn't filtered. We were having issues with FTPing into our websites in the Dreamweaver class, and the school filters and blocks different websites and things that they don't think are needed on campus. So people are pretty appreciative to have the open internet access in class. To promote my business and myself, I would use the captive portal feature of the Cradlepoint router, and I'd have it redirect to my website when they came out of it. I also had a password there that they had to type in, but I said right there they had to read through my stuff a little, and they said the password is password. Pretty simple. I also have on there my contact info and all that. And I've had people text me right there in class, go, cool, thanks for the internet access and everything. My off time is spent at home working on computers, doing my homework. Right now I'm looking for a job. And then also over at California State University, Fullerton. My girlfriend's a resident advisor there. And I set up her floor with Meraki wireless mesh routers based off in using the school's internet access, but getting it to where they have stronger signal in each of their apartments, because the school only uses little cheapy D-Link outdoor EPs that are starting to have issues and random disconnects, and it slows down certain times of the day when more people are connecting to the access points. So that's pretty much what I've been doing and using the equipment for. I'm still going to be in school here another 5 years or so. So if I get the equipment, I'd be putting it in my backpack, probably mounted between 2 sheets of plexiglass to where everything's permanently connected and ready to go. Using the Techion battery packs feature, being able to be plugged in, still get power device and charge. I'd be able to come home or go anywhere else, plug it in, charge it, and still have my internet access open and usable as well. I'm also a user of the firmware DD-WRT, or DD-Word as I like to call it. And I use that usually on a modified Buffalo or Linksys router. And using one of those, I connect into other access points on wireless networks and use the multiple WAN feature and load balancing of the Cradlepoint and give faster access where it's available by plugging into one of those. If I was set up somewhere a little more permanently, various coffee cafes, the library, things like that, I'll be able to have open access to the router and internet as well. So that's why I'm entering the contest. I'd like to mount all this into my backpack, have it powered on all the time, full time, see how much data usage I could rack up each month using the equipment, and then be able to provide internet access anywhere I'm at. I'm waiting on financial aid right now, and just a college student I'll be around the college campuses here the next 5 years. So 3gstore.com, I hope you pick me as the winner for the contest.